Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to install and use Revanced Manager app for Android apps. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Google, then search for revanced.app, just like so. And after that, you will be redirected to this page. Simply hit the download button, click on the download on the left side, Revanced Manager, click on download anyway, and now it's being downloaded. Okay, now after downloading, you'll have to click on it. Then go and click on install, and now it's being installed. And now you'll have to click on open, and here you have it. You just give it the permission, click on allow from this source, and now we should scroll down and check this box. I'm aware of possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. Then hit the OK button, and now we should go back. And here you have the application opened on your phone. Just hit the OK button. Then now you'll have to go to settings and adjust these settings as you want. Then I'd like to leave all things in the default mode. So here I will go back, and now I'm gonna click on patcher, and now click on select an app. And now we can select any app that you actually can patch. I'm gonna select this one, select from storage, and you will have to select the APK file from the storage. Now, if you do not have the APK on your storage, you can go back. So let's say that I want to patch the Facebook application. So I'm gonna click on this magnifying glass icon, tap on search. And after downloading, you can now start patching the APK file of Facebook. Now I'm gonna verify that I'm a human. So now I'm gonna hit the download APK file. Then I'm gonna click on download anyway and wait till we finish the downloading process. Okay, now once you have downloaded the APK, you should now go and open the application again. Then go and click on storage. Then now you should search for the Facebook APK, and here we have it. This option, click on it, then click on patch on the bottom right side and wait for the patches to finish. And it tells me that it's executing patches. Now use the Revanced application in order to remove the ads. Okay, so this is its use. Just wait till it load. Okay, now here as you can see, you can now save the patch by clicking on the save button on the bottom left side, or you can simply click on install in order to install the patch. And that is it. This is how you can actually use the Revanced Manager application on your phone in order to patch Android apps. And that's all for today, guys. If you find this video helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.